Welcome to today's video. Today we're exploring one of the most delicious and visually stunning dishes in Turkish cuisine, Beyti Kebab. Beyti Kebab is a flavorful grilled meat dish wrapped in thin flatbread and served with yogurt and tomato sauce. It's known for its rich taste and beautiful presentation. The dish is named after Beyti Güler, a famous Turkish chef who created this unique style of kebab. Let's start with the meat. Beyti Kebab is usually made with ground lamb or a mix of lamb and beef, combined with spices, garlic, and herbs. The meat mixture is shaped around skewers and grilled over charcoal until juicy and slightly crispy on the outside. Once cooked, the meat is removed from the skewers and wrapped in thin flatbread, often called lavash. The wrapped kebab is then sliced into small pieces and arranged neatly on a plate. Now comes the finishing touch. A rich tomato sauce is poured over the slices, followed by melted butter for extra flavor. On the side, you'll usually find a generous portion of creamy yogurt. The combination of warm meat, soft bread, tangy yogurt, and rich sauce creates an unforgettable taste. Beyti kebab is often served in restaurants and is considered a more refined and elegant kebab dish. It's perfect for special occasions or when you want to enjoy something truly satisfying. In Turkey, dishes like Beyti kebab are meant to be shared and enjoyed together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Beyti Kebab, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments which Turkish dish we should explore next.